Hi everyone! Today we're going to crochet this Lily of the Valley bouquet kerchief. This kerchief can be used as a headband, waist scarf, or shawl. Here we're crocheting these fuller Lily of the Valley flowers, which look more beautiful. The increase pattern for the main part is the same, and you can increase it to your desired size. You can also arrange them into a bouquet. Lily of the Valley looks more delicate compared to roses and makes a better shawl. We'll use Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, and stitch markers. Next, let's take a look at how to crochet it. Take the white yarn to start the foundation chain for the main part. First, wrap it around your pinky. Wrap it to your index finger. Then pinch it with your thumb and middle finger. Place the crochet hook under the yarn and wrap it counterclockwise. Bring the yarn out. Tighten the tail of the yarn and tie a knot. Then make 6 beginning chains. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. That's 1 chain stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chain stitches are done. Now go back to the first chain stitch and make 3 double crochets. Yarn over with your crochet hook. Pick up 1 strand of yarn above the chain stitch in the back ridge. This way you insert the hook under 2 strands. Pull the yarn through. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets in the same spot. Three double crochets are done. Now make 1 chain stitch. Make another treble crochet in the same position. Try out this stitch method, which involves wrapping the yarn around the hook twice. Insert the hook through the stitch and pull the yarn through. Now there are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over again and pull it through the next 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull it through the last 2 loops. That's 1 treble crochet. The first row is complete. Then make 5 chain stitches to start. 5 chains are done. Turn the fabric and make 3 double crochets in this chain space. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets are complete. Now make 1 chain stitch. Skip the next double crochet stitch and work 3 double crochets and 1 chain in the next chain space. Three double crochets are complete. Now make 1 chain stitch. Now make another treble crochet in the same position. The second row is complete. For the third row, continue by making 5 more chain stitches. Then turn the fabric. For each row going forward, insert the hook into the chain spaces. In the first space, work 3 double crochets and 1 chain as before. In the second space, work 3 double crochets and 1 chain. In the last space, also work 3 double crochets and 1 chain. Then work another treble crochet in the same position. The third row is now complete. Continue by making 5 more chain stitches to start. Turn the fabric piece. In each chain space, work 3 double crochets and 1 chain. In the last space, add 1 more treble crochet. For each following row, repeat this pattern until you reach your desired dimension. After reaching your desired size, work 1 slip stitch and fasten off the yarn. Pull the yarn tail tight and hide it on the wrong side of the fabric. Thread the tail through the loops on the inside using a crochet hook or sewing needle. Once finished, this is the right side. Pick up the corner on the right, then insert the hook from the wrong side into the topmost hole, and bring out the green yarn. Bring the yarn through. Start with 1 chain stitch as the turning chain. Work 1 single crochet in the same position. Then make 4 chain stitches. Insert the hook into the next hole and work 1 single crochet. Follow with 4 chain stitches. Continue by inserting the hook into the next hole and working 1 single crochet. 4 chain stitches. Repeat this pattern until you reach the last hole in the corner on the other side, where you work 1 single crochet. Follow with 1 slip stitch. Turn your work over. Work into the chain spaces, following the same crocheting method as for the Lily of the Valley bouquet blanket. In the first space, start with 1 single crochet, 3 chain stitches. Then repeat 3 groups of 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch. After completing 3 groups, follow with 1 double crochet, 3 chain stitches. Go back to the space and work 1 single crochet. This forms a calyx. In the next space, work a leaf. Start with 1 single crochet. Follow with 7 chain stitches. Go back to the 4th chain stitch from the end. Pick up 1 loop and work a slip stitch. Then work 3 more chain stitches. Go back down into the hole and work 1 single crochet. Continue following this pattern, 1 calyx, 1 leaf, until you reach the next corner. After completing the last calyx, finish with the slip stitch in the first single crochet and fasten off the yarn. Hide the yarn tail inside the fabric. Work 1 Lily of the Valley on each calyx. Now let me demonstrate. A calyx has 5 spaces, and you will work 1 petal in each space. Insert the hook into the far right space. Bring the yarn flower color with your right hand from underneath. Bring the yarn over. First, make 2 chain stitches as a turning chain. Then work 5 half double crochets in the same position, with the yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. Lift the loop up to the same height as the turning chain. That makes 1 half double crochet incomplete. For the next one, do another yarn over. Use your middle finger to hold the loop on the hook. Then pull the yarn through the hole. Lift the loop up to the same height again. Yarn over once more. Hold the loop with your middle finger. Lift it up. Yarn over and hold it. Lift it up. For the 5 stitches, yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Then make 1 chain stitch. That completes 1 petal. In the next space, work 5 more half double crochets in complete. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the hole. Raise it to the same height as the first petal. Continue with another yarn over. 2 stitches. 3 stitches. 4 stitches. 5 stitches. Complete the 5 stitches, then yarn over and pull through all loops. Repeat this technique in the next 3 spaces below. After completing the 5 petals, turn your work over. You can cut off the yarn tail inside, drawing with a slip stitch on the first petal. Start the second round of petals by making 2 chain stitches. For this round, insert the hook between 2 petals. First, make a double crochet. 3 chains. Pass through the V shape below. Make a slip stitch. In the same position, work another double crochet. 3 chains. Go back to the V shape below and make a slip stitch. That completes 1 group. In the next space, make a double crochet. 3 chain stitches. Work a slip stitch at the V point. In the same position, crochet another double crochet. 3 chain stitches. At the V point, work a slip stitch. 2 groups are now completed. Finish the remaining 3 groups using the same method. After completing all 5 groups, finish with the slip stitch in the 2 starting chains and fasten off the yarn. Pull the yarn tail out and tighten it. Use a crochet hook to pull the yarn tail inside. Hide the yarn tail. This completes 1 flower. The petals will look more firmly stuffed when crocheted this way. After finishing all the flowers, crochet a row of single crochets along the edge. Remember to leave a length of yarn for making ties later. Approximately 30 to 40 chain stitches are needed, but you can adjust the lengths as desired. Here, make a slip knot. Insert the hook into the hole on the far right. Pull the loop through. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the same position. Work 1 single crochet in each of the 3 double crochet stitches. Correspondingly, make 1 single crochet in the chain stitch position. Work a row of single crochets, 1 stitch for each corresponding stitch. Crochet 1 single crochet in the hole on the far left. After completing a row of single crochets, continue with 30 chain stitches. After 30 chain stitches are done, start 3 chain stitches. Go back to the 4th chain stitch from the end and work 1 treble crochet. Treble crochet is complete. Then make 1 chain stitch. Insert the hook under the V shape below and work 1 slip stitch. Then make 3 more chain stitches. Insert the hook in the same position, work 1 slip stitch, and fasten off the yarn. Pull the yarn tail tight and hide it inside the work. On the other side, pass through the first single crochet stitch here. Pull the yarn tail out and continue crocheting chain stitches. Follow the same crocheting method as the other side. The Lily of the Valley Bouquet kerchief is now completed. Everybody, go ahead and start crocheting.